Good, and up. And then we sit on the floor. Sit on the floor. And cross your leg, okay? Ready? And then we do arm first. And open. Okay? And face heel. Up. And open. And hold your ball shoulder. Yes. And look down. Arch your back. Stay, let go. Arch your back as much as you can. Hold tight. And up. Open arm. And go again. Breathe arm. Let go. Breathe arm. Right now, hold your shoulder. Head down. Hold tight. Let your backbone arch as much as you can. Stay there. Breathe out. Breathe out. And then up. Arm up. And then we go forwards. Stay there for a moment. Head down. You don't need to push it so much. Just let it loosen up. Feel your lower back stretch. Feel your hip open. Just stay. Give more movement. Stay there. And up. Good. Put your hand on your knee. Right now, we do circles, okay? Go diagonal. Front. Other side diagonal. Up. And arch back. Arch back. And choose straight up. Again, make a circle. All the way around. Arch back as much as you can. And continue moving. One last time. All the way circle around. Circle around. Yes, beautiful. Just relax. Okay? Just let it go. And arm up again. And then we go forwards again. Arm up. Go forwards. Stay there again. Give it a moment. Let it go. Hold. Hold. Don't move. And up. Right now, one hand hold on the floor. Point one to the side. Okay, stay there. Don't move. Okay, go this way. You can see me. Okay, stay there. Don't move. Right now, twist up. Look up. Stay. Give it a moment. Don't move. Breathe. You just loosen up. Let it go. And go back. We do our side. Our side, same thing. Hold one to the side first. You stay there. No move. Let it go. Breathe. Feel totally loosen up. Right now, twist. Look up to the ceiling. Hold stay. Twist as much as you can. Let it go. Very good. And then we go finger lock together and push up. Try to push as far as high as you can. Feel your backbone totally straight up. Your shoulder up to your ear, doesn't matter. Okay, just make sure, straight up. And then go as much as you can to the side. Let it go. Breathe out. And up. We do our side. Okay? Still keep pushing, okay? Stay. And up. Very good. And then put out behind your head. One last time, okay? Push it close. Look down. Back straight, don't bend. Just your back straight. Just push down your head. Stay. Right now, go a little bit bigger. Back bend. Go bigger. Stay. Give it a moment. Hold. And up. Good. Right now, put the feet together. And we relax. Very good. And then push both hands down. Push it down. Bend forward. Make sure let your hip open. And then you go up. Okay? You push this one. And then you push as far as you can. Just push it away. Push it away. Stretch it. Stretch it. And up. Okay, we do one more time. And relax first. Okay? Don't rush, okay? Yes, take it easy. And then right now, go push it down. Yes, I go back to you. See me? Okay? Right now, you push it away. Push it away your knee. Let your hip. Yes, open. Feel your lower back stretch as well. Stay. Good. And then we hold your toes. Just look down. Use your full hand to try to reach your toes only. I want to see the back arch. Stay there. Don't move. Feel your hip. Let it go. Give it a moment. Okay, right now, straighten your arm. Go forward a little. Okay, reach out. Reach out. Stay for a moment. Hold and let it go. Feel your lower back, stretch it. Loosen up. Hold. Hold. And up. Okay, right now, one leg open. Yes, and then push one leg down. Yes, push down. Yeah, let it go. Push hard. Right now, go forward. All the way forward. Stay. Okay, let it open. Give it a moment. Hold, stay. And up. Right now we change your leg. Change your leg to our side. Yes. Okay, push it down first. Just let it go. Yes. Let your hip open. Good. Right now we go forward. And let it go. And up. Okay, one last before we do split. And then keep your both knee bent and lay down. Just go circle. Okay? One leg, just go circle. Hold your leg. Hold on, go this way. You can see me? See like this. Hold, let it go circle. Yes. Let your hip totally relax. Okay? Let's do our side once. Okay? Let it go. Relax. Good, relax. Stay. Right now, hold both leg. And then hold towards you.